How to deactivate or delete PeoplePerHour account. First of all, open your browser and go to PeoplePerHour.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down to the Account section and tap on the Edit option. Here you will see the options to deactivate your account. Deactivating your account temporarily disables your profile, while deleting it permanently removes all your information from PeoplePerHour. To deactivate your account, click on the Here link. Then select a reason for deactivating your account and write your feedback. After that, tick the confirmation box and hit Deactivate Account. Once completed, your profile will no longer be visible to clients, but you can reactivate it later by logging back again. Always ensure that you have withdrawn all your earnings before deactivating your account to avoid losing any funds. Now you know how to deactivate or delete your PeoplePerHour account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.